Hey everybody, I wanted to show you all my latest die cuts from Aliexpress. So I got these really cool tags. So they cover, you know, Christmas, winter, stars, Valentine's Day, Christmas. So yeah, I got these. This is all one set. You got 6 of them together. This is all from Aliexpress. So those are really good. They cut really well. So I got the tags. And then I got this cool flower. This flower is a set and has 3 pieces. I got this cool leaf. So this all cuts very well. And then I got this cool rose. It's a bit fiddly to get it out, but it does cut very well. And then I got these cool dinosaurs. And then I got those 3, that's the set. And I got bats. I got the bats, they just came today. And then I got this cool fairy, Tinkerbelly fairy. And then there's the leaf. I got that today too. So I was just playing with it. I have all these flower die cuts, so I'm like, oh, let's get a different leaf. Yeah, so there's the leaf there, and then there's the bats. 2 different sizes. So I'm just playing with those today. Cutting them. So yeah, so these are all from Aliexpress. These were, I think were under $2, these ones. The flowers. I wanted to make sure I showed you these because I ordered a whole bunch of new ones, more. So yeah, so this is the die cuts. And then I got, also it came, this cool unicorn tape. So I'm still collecting things from my unicorn pocket letter. I got glitter on it. I had this glitter all over my table here. So yeah, I got a nice good roll here of pretty little unicorns. And then for the unicorn pocket letter, I also got these. Got 2 unicorn charms. Now they do have other horses. There's zebras, normal horses, different styles. There's a bunch of different styles to choose from. So yeah. Those are the unicorn charms. Go with the unicorn tape and all these die cuts. So that is my Aliexpress haul for today. I got a whole bunch more stuff ordered. So yeah, so that is my Aliexpress haul. Later.